This video is brought to you by INOVIVA. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making 3 amazing summer drinks. It will have 2 slushies and a chocolate frappe. Trust me, you guys gonna really enjoy these. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First, we're going to prep the mixture for our watermelon slushie. I'm going to use around half a watermelon for this. The best way of choosing a watermelon is take a look at this large yellow spot. It means it has time to cook under the sun and it's gonna be nice, sweet and juicy. Now cut the watermelon and remove all the flesh. Now the watermelon goes into a blender. Now cover and blend this until nice and smooth. And now you want to pass it through a sieve. Now we're going with the juice of fresh lemon and lime. For more flavor, I'm using here some of the sparkling red grape juice. Some of this rose water. A good pinch of citric acid adds a bit more acidity. Now give this a really good mix and combine everything. Now if you like a bit more sweet, you can throw in some sugar. Now you should definitely have a little bit of taste and adjust anything if you need to. Today I'm testing out the INOVIVA Slushie machine, and trust me, this one is not just for summer. Think slushies, frappes, mocktails and even milkshakes, all with no ice needed. Let's get into it. INOVIVA is all about making life easier with tech-driven kitchen gadgets, and this sleek design definitely caught my eye. It's compact, stylish and comes with everything you need to get started. It's super simple to use, one button operation with 5 preset programs: slushie, frappe, milkshake, mocktail, etc. Unlike most machines, you don't need to add any ice. It chills and blends everything with built-in temperature control, giving you a smooth, consistent slush every time. Also, this machine fits anywhere. Perfect for parties, the office, or just cooling off after work. It even makes a great gift. So if you want cafe-style frozen drinks at home with zero hassle, the INOVIVA Slushie machine is totally worth it. Grab yours today, check the link in the description, or search INOVIVA Slushie machine on Amazon. Quickly assemble the machine, it doesn't take too long. Use this lock to make sure it's secured in place. And now carefully pour all that amazing liquid. There's no need to add any ice, but it's best if your liquid is a bit chilled. The minimum requirement of this liquid is around 500 ml, and it needs to have at least 5% of sugar so we can make a proper slushie. Now click on the slushie option, and the thickness you can choose, I like it around 2, and hit the start button now. The machine will beep when the slushie is ready. Alright, so our slushie is ready now. Let's pour it into a glass. I'm just gonna pull this lever down. Just take a look at that. Looks amazing, Now you can garnish it with some of the fresh lemon and mint. This is legit smooth. No icy chunks, just perfect texture. Better than what I've had at cafes. For our next drink, we're gonna make a pineapple slushie. Here with the pineapple along with some pineapple juice, juice of half a lime, sugar, cover and blend this. And now I'm going to throw in some coconut water. For a really nice aroma, I'm using some few drops of orange blossom. Also going with the juice of fresh orange. Good pinch of citric acid. And finally I'm going with blue cuarcao syrup and some of the soda water. Now give this a really good mix. The color is absolutely fantastic on this. Again, taste this and adjust anything if you need to. And now let's prep our pineapple slushie. Alright, so that's ready now. Let's pour it into a glass. Again, that looks amazing. You can garnish it with whatever you like. Our next drink is going to be a delicious chocolate frappe. First we're going with the milk. Going with the dark chocolate sauce. Going with some of the coffee. You can also throw in some of the cocoa if you like. Sugar to taste. For more flavor, a good touch of vanilla extract. Give that a really good mix and dissolve all the sugar. Slowly pour that in. Just be careful, don't try to make any mess, alright? Honestly, this is gonna be so much better than takeaway. Or now you want to select this frappe option. Press start now. Alright, so our chocolate frappe is ready now. The machine has beeped. Let's pour this in. And some of the cream on top. Drizzle of chocolate sauce. That looks absolutely delicious. So good. Now Now it's super easy to clean the machine as well. I'm just gonna press on this clean option, place a bowl, I'm gonna press start, and I'm gonna throw the water inside and press this lever. And of course you have the option of washing the whole thing, and you can clean this drip tray as well. Alright guys, let's try these. Bismillah. Wow, that is so good, you know. Strong flavor of watermelon, has a nice tang to it, and the nice and chilled slushy. Ah, it's perfect for summer. INOVIVA has done a great job with this machine. You guys gonna really enjoy this. The consistency is just perfect, you know. Alright, let's try our pineapple slushy now. Again, it looks amazing. Bismillah. Wow. That is just so good. Best way to cool down in the summer is with these slushies. A really nice tang from those limes, hint of coconut, so good. Wow, I'm so impressed. Alright, it's time to try our chocolate frappe now. Looks amazing, just have a look at that. One of my favorites. You guys gonna again really enjoy this. Just gonna mix some of that cream. Bismillah. Wow. Wow. That is so good, you know. Really, really delicious. Nice and chilled frappe. Lost for words here. What an amazing drink. With so many options to choose from, this machine is really worth the price, you know. This is my honest opinion. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.